Hello everyone. We hope you all are doing well. Plants are so important to life on earth without which we cannot survive. The basic information of growing a plant is essential to every human. So we are here today to present to you interesting ways in which you can grow a plant with all the required steps that you must follow.
Most plants grow from seeds. There are many seeds right at your home which you can grow plants from. Many fruits that you eat have seeds which can be planted in your own garden. Wouldn't it be fun to grow some? So here are the few seeds you can use from your home. Make sure all the seeds are well dried before sowing.
All seeds cannot be just thrown on the soil. There are birds and insects might eat them. They never grow into your plant. So what do? We use seed starters. A seed starter is any small container that is used to plant a seed. Keep it in a safe place until it becomes a sapling. There are a lot of seed starter ideas coming right up.
Soil is an essential component required for plants to grow.
Because it is the main source of water and mineral. It is also important to know the different kinds of soil because different plants grow well in different kinds of soil. To add a seed starter, we need a few components to prepare a good soil mixture. Those components are core soil, coco pit and a manure. By adding all these three in an equal proportion, now your nutrient soil is ready for your seed to germinate.
You make chutney at home? Then I'm sure you'll come across these every few other days. You can use coconut shells as a seed starter, also as a pot to grow plants such as cacti. All you have to do is sandpaper the outer part of the coconut shell. You can even paint them and fill them with the soil mixture. Sow a few seeds, cover it with more soil. You just have to water it, keep it on your windowsill and wait for your seeds to germinate.
An easy and wonderful seed starter that you can make from the peels of this fruit. Cut the fruit into half. Squeeze the juice out. Remove the pulp. It will look like this. Separate the seeds. Clean the seeds with water. Dry it with tissue. Fill the peels of fruit with the nutrient soil. Sow the seed. Keep it on the windowsill to get enough amount of sunlight. Water it regularly to see your plant germinates.
Eggshells make easy seed starter. Carefully break up a part of the eggshells once you finish your favorite egg recipe. Shells can be your seed starter. Just clean with the water, fill them with soil mixture, add a few seeds, cover with more soil, keep them in a balcony or window.
Some seeds can just grow on moisture. However, you can consider cotton or tissues as starters. So take some cotton or some tissue papers, keep it in an empty bowl. Once you have done that, add some water to it and place a few seeds in them. After you have done that, keep it in sunlight. And make sure you water them frequently. After about a week's time, you can observe the sprouts coming out. Although you cannot see an entire plant coming out of it, you can observe the roots and shoots clearly.
Look at this.
to use a plastic bottle is to start your seeds and grow plants. There are different ways to cut open a bottle depending on the plant you choose. You can cut open a bottle from the middle and use the below part like this, and cut open a rectangle from the middle of the bottle. Now you can add the soil mixture to this bottle and plant your seeds. You can place them in your balcony or hang them vertically, giving more space for more bottles in a lesser place.
Paper cups make a really good seed starter as it takes less space and is easily available. No cutting or preparation required. They can be used right away. Just add a soil mixture and plant your seed ready to germinate. Place them on your windowsill and with enough sunlight, they will be ready to start your seed.
Looking to start many seeds at a time? It's fun and easy. Just save on egg carton. You can start many seeds at the same time. Just fill the soil mixture in each compartment and plant your seeds. Now your starters are ready to go in a bright and sunny place.
Soap cartons are small and work just like a paper cup. Cut out the center of the soap cartons, add the soil mixture, and plant the seeds. Keep watering and observe them grow.
I hope you have a seed starter set in your mind with all those amazing options. Once you're done with planting the seeds, it's time to take care of them. How do you take care of them? So before that, you should know that different plants need different amounts of water. For example, desert plants like cacti need less water, and if you give them a lot of water, they will die. Plants like marigold, lilies need more water to grow. If you give them less water, they will die. So in general, you need to ensure the amount of water required for the plant to grow. So use spray bottle to water them, spray water twice a day, and ensure that the soils are completely dry.
All of you know that plants need sunlight to prepare their food. So it is important to keep them in a place where they get enough sunlight. But do all plants need same amount of sunlight? No. Some plants can grow indoors in shade, and some plants can be kept outside in the sun. Get to know your plants before you are going to decide where you are going to place them.
Once successfully you plant your seed, the seed starts to grow. The root and the shoot start to emerge out of the seed. This process is called germination. You can observe germination when your mom makes sprouts for you. The thin structure which emerges out of the seed is the root of the plant.
Your seeds cannot stay in the starter forever. So when they are grown up, you need to transfer that sapling into the pot, or you can even plant it on the land. But the fun part is, if the starter is biodegradable, you can sow that biodegradable part in the soil as such. It will degrade itself and it will nourish the soil. But make sure when you are potting the plant, the soil of the starter and the soil of the pot are same, so that the sapling can adjust to any of the changes.
All living organisms require nourishment to grow and survive. You know, research shows that the plant that receives care and affection grow better than the plant that is not cared for. So what we have to do? Make them your friends. Spend some time near them. Add water and minerals by adding compost when required.
Now it's time to wait till our harvest is ready. After a certain time, plant by the fruits and vegetables. That's when you can feel the success of your hard work. When you grow your own fruits and eat them, trust me that happiness is incomparable.
I hope you all enjoyed the video and you're all ready to build your own garden. Growing plant is one of the important skills that each and every human being should possess. Happy planting! Celebrate each day as an environmental day. I wish you all a very happy environmental day.